Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses, gang. Now, this video, before I start, man, make sure you hit that like button. This video is for the ladies. You gotta excuse my hair. I just got over a staph infection, and I don't want people touching all in my hair right now. I still got it like 3 more days before it's completely clear out. Anyway, let me tell you something, ladies. Why does your ex want to come back? All my exes always want to come back. Let me just tell you this. Every female that I've been with has said this. And when I tell them, they get mad, they get in denial. Now, why does your ex want to come back? It's not because you just got the bomb at. It's not that. It's not because you're just so hard to replace. You have such a great personality. There's nobody like you. Hey man, why does your ex want to come back? It's because he doesn't have enough game to move on. Because he knows you. Because it's really annoying talking to all these females, getting to know their likes, dislikes, zodiac signs. And then you're like, man, I don't want to talk to her. This chick is fucking stupid, or this chick is boring, or it's different. It's different for a dude. When you're a dude, you gotta, number one, you gotta go out there and hunt. Then you gotta find one that you can tolerate. Then after you find out that you can tolerate her, you gotta learn what you need to learn to fuck her. And then you might not even like her. It might just be the sex. You hit it like 2, 3 times, you're like, ugh, I don't even like her. I don't even like her for real. But this is the only place that you can get sex. He actually liked you a little bit. He knows how to please you. He knows your likes and dislikes. And he really forgot how to talk to females. He really forgot not only how hard it is out here, but the actual method, the actual strategies. He has to be reminded. All the stuff that he had to learn to even get you and keep you for 2, 3 years, he might have cheated on you. You know why he cheated on you is because he started to remember and he was like, oh, okay, I could have her. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. It could have been a plethora of reasons. He cheated on you because he wanted to, and there's no better pussy than a new pussy. That's why he cheated on you. To be honest, and nothing that you did. But at the end of the day, no, you're not some perfect princess that just has the bomb ass pussy. No, it's not that. The nigga forgot how to get girls, bro. That's why he wants you back. He forgot how to get girls. After he has sex with them, they want to hang out and they're being annoying. And it's hard out here. That's why. It's hard out here. It's not because of you. It's because it's hard out here for a pimp. That's why. It's not because of you. It's not because of you personally. Because it's hard out here. He doesn't miss you. It's just he lost his C legs, or in this case, his G legs. He lost his giz name. It's hard out here. That's it. That's it. Really, in a nutshell. Peace.